My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Transit Custom Camper. This vehicle has done just over 16,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with a cooker, sink and fridge just below. Behind me is our two belted seat. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into our first double bed, making this camper 4 berth, 4 belts. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on our right we have voice control. On our screen we can access Android CarPlay, vehicle settings, Forecast Connect, emergency assistance, mobile apps and Bluetooth. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen is our AC. We have heated seats on either side. If we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.